As I predicted in my recent video, the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana are dumping towards the downside. Well, almost exactly at my targets that I mentioned in my last video. Is this a trap right now, or will the prices continue to fall? I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Starting off with Bitcoin's daily time frame chart over here, and when I made my last video exactly over here on Tuesday, the prices of Bitcoin was approximately at $87,000, but after that we have seen the prices of Bitcoin going all the way up till $90,000 and again getting rejected and forming a very big volume bearish candle. I hope you can see, and I mean, some people can't decipher it, but there are plethora of sellers right now still active in the market, and prices of Bitcoin are struggling to pump towards the upside incessantly, and that's why I'm expecting the prices of Bitcoin to go at least till this level over here, which is at approximately 83. See, the prices of Bitcoin recently again did a breakdown of this important resistance level again towards the downside. It tried to go up again, but sellers rejected the price. This means, well, there are very high chances that the prices of Bitcoin can continue to dump towards the downside from here. As I said, at least till $83,000, but the main support for Bitcoin's price is at $73,000, but that obviously for now is very low, and to be more realistic and logical, I'm expecting it to come at least till 83k first, then we can see some sideways market or a little bit pump towards the upside. But again, let's see what happens. Currently the price of Bitcoin is in middle of nowhere, so obviously I'm personally not taking any trade. What do you guys think? Are you going to take a trade right now? Are you going short or long? What do you think of the coming weeks? Let me know. But personally, I am still bearish on Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. Coming on Ethereum's chart, and same is with Ethereum also. Last time I made a video approximately over here at, I would say, approximately $2,900 level. After that we have seen a huge dump again in the price of Ethereum. See, if you compare this with the price of Bitcoin, you will see that Bitcoin's price also made a bearish candle yesterday, but today's candle is green. Basically what I'm trying to say is that it is sideways market for Bitcoin for the past couple of 2 days. But if you look at Ethereum, we have seen a huge bearish candle on Ethereum. Again, same very high volume over here, and this time the buyers are struggling to pump the price of Ethereum back towards the upside. And if you have watched my last video, you already know the target for Ethereum is minimum at $2,700 level. This whole support zone is very important for Ethereum, and I'm still expecting the price of Ethereum to come till $2,700 level, because, well, if you see in the past it acted as a very good support over here, this $2,700 mark over here also, as you can see. So yeah, that's why I'm still expecting the price of Ethereum to dump from here, as there are still highly stimulated sellers in the market right now, and I'm expecting a bearish move with ETH as well. When Bitcoin is dumping and Ethereum is dumping, same is with Solana. Last time I made a video exactly over here, I told you all that the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum seems to be pretty bearish to me, and if they dump, then Solana will also dump no matter what. And exactly the same thing happened. The price of Solana also dumped towards the downside, as you can see, coming at this important support zone. And I've told this dozens of times that from $119 to $123 or $124 approx, this is a very important support zone for Solana. As you can see over here, the history never lies. You can see over here also, same. So this is a very good support for Solana over here. And well, to be quite honest, the price of Solana, I'm still expecting a dump little bit, because see, I told you all that Bitcoin and Ethereum still seems bearish to me, and if these two crypto fall, then Solana will also continue to fall. And I told you all that there are very high chances we can see a fake out over here, and I won't be surprised if Solana's price does a fake out, goes below this level, traps retailer and extracts all the liquidity and then again pump towards the upside. So yes, as you have already saw, the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana dumped heavily in the past couple of 48 hours, I would say approximately. And to be quite honest, I'm still expecting the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum to dump from here. But let's see what happens, what the market has to offer. This can also be a trap, and obviously right now the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum are not at any, I would say, major support or resistance, so it is better for me to not take any trade. Yes, Solana is at a very important support, but again it all depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum only. If they dump, then Solana will also dump, no matter what the support is below. And as I said, even if price of Solana fakes out from here, dumps towards the downside, breaks that important purple support zone towards the downside, I will enter in a long position at that moment only. That will be a very high confidence trade, but for now I'm not taking any trade. I'm just waiting and let's see what the market has to offer. What do you guys think? Comment down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video.